son of a sailor, son of a gun, load the last time, one step ahead of the jail. I'm just a son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor.
Seas in my veins, tradition remains. Just glad I don't live in a trailer. Thank you.
I think we're like kind of up on the trailer right now.
We are on the trailer.
Yeah, I think so. Guess that's what it feels like.
Legend lives on, trickle on down, on the big lake they call Gitchgoon. Lake they said never feels up dead when the skies in November turn gloomy. Wrought iron ore, 26,000 tons long, in the Edmonton Chariot waiting. Good shipping crew was born to be true when the gales of November come early. Ship was right in the American side, coming back from some mill in Wisconsin. Big Freighters Ghost was bigger than most, with a crew and a captain well seasoned, including some terms with a couple steel firms when they left fully loaded in Cleveland.
You're not doing more videos, sir.
What?
You're not doing more videos.
No.
Later that night when the ship's bell rang, could it be the north wind they were feeling? Wind and the wires made a telltale sound, and a wave broke over the rally. And every man knew the captain did too, was a witch of November come stealing. Dawn came late and breakfast had away when the gales of November come slashing. Afternoon came, it was freezing rain in the face of a hurricane west wind.